Hello, this is a video on how to put a point on the map, draw a circle, and collect population data. We get this request a lot on chat and on phone. Thought I'd do a video on it in a little blog. And so what we're going to do is look at the map. We've got a map here. Nothing fancy going on. I've got the state layer on. Point, circle, population. Well, you can get points right here at the bottom of our draw tools. Is a little point we can drop on the map. Probably the fastest way to get a point on the map and circle and data is to actually use a circle search tool. So I'm going to grab a circle search tool. These are all of our search tools in this drop down. It selects and goes green, and I pick a point on the map and I put a radius around it by choosing the radius of the circle, and then I search that data. Now that actually brings up a dialog box that asks you to select a layer to search, but we're not going to do that. We're going to close that. And I'm just going to zoom in a little bit into that particular area of interest. So we've put a circle on the map with a radius, and there's a little toolbar that pops up that's associated with that circle. And that button right there is called Summarize Demographic Data and Other Data. Click that button. That brings up a little dialog that's got population right on top. So there's a projection data of the Census Bureau populations right there. We can put that over there. You'll notice that we've got other kinds of population. It could be male, could be female, could be densities. Population density was requested the other day. So there's a variety of population records in our demographic data. So look through it, make sure it's what you want. There's a variety of years as you go down through it. And then click Next, and it brings up another little dialog, and you can add that to the map view. So there's the information. So there you have a point, a circle, and a population. Now another way you could do that is to go up here to the address bar, and let's just put in an address, key in an address, click the binoculars, and there again is a point on the map, and that little radius will give you the ability to determine how far around that point you'd like to draw a circle. That's out beyond our little zoom function right now. So if we pull back, we'll see that 15-mile circle come into view. Once again, there's the summary button associated with the point. Let's select the circle though. We want to make sure that we've got the right summary button selected. So I select the circle, and here's the summary button. And look, it's already populated with our information. And there we go. We're going to add that to the map. So that's another way to quickly drop a point, put a circle area of whatever area you want it to be, and get some population data. And the third way was to grab that actual point on the map, select it, turns green, put that on the map. You're going to need to create a layer or add it to a layer. So there's a layer I've got called New Points. I'm going to add that location to it. I can change the name of that location, center point, whatever I want to call it. Save that. It's a little bit more when you're dropping a point on the map from the draw tools, because it wants to create a data set that can be associated with it. But then there's that circle button again, and we can choose to make it whatever radius we want, and then we can search that radius for that data and put that on the map or export it to a file. All right there for you to use in Map Business Online to quickly drop a point, get a circle, and get population data for use inside or outside of the application. Go to mapbusinessonline.com and take our free trial.